Welcome back to RocketBean Studio. Today I want to talk about what makes RocketBean so unique is that we're a content-led startup studio. At RocketBean, the product journey is the content, and the team are the stars. We create content about brainstorming product ideas, sprint reviews, demos, retro meetings, and honestly, just the chaos that happens when a team is trying to build something new. Our designers, developers, marketers, and product managers become the characters in the story. People get to watch the wins, the disagreements, the pivots, and the breakthroughs as product evolves from idea to launch. And that's where content-led marketing becomes powerful. Every industry already has influencers teaching tips and tricks, but there's a huge gap in showing what it actually looks like to build something. The team dynamics, the debates, the real conversations and decisions behind products. We want our content to be educational, but also entertaining. Because let's be honest, watching designers and developers argue about a feature can actually be pretty fun. Content also creates a built-in marketing engine for our products. When people follow the journey, they become invested in the outcome. They become early adopters, testers, and advocates who share the product with their communities and network. It also creates a feedback loop where our audience suggests ideas, reacts to features, and influences what we build next. And there's a huge benefit: risk reduction. If a product fails, the journey still becomes valuable content that can generate revenue through sponsorships, ads, and partnerships. Over time, our goal is for content to help fund the product development process. So the studio becomes a flywheel where product development creates content and content helps fund product development. To make this work, we're producing a wide variety of shows inspired by different types of media. We're creating business game shows inspired by Jeopardy and Family Feud, where the questions and answers are all about business and tech. We host a live demo show where guests present the products they're building. No slides, no pitch decks, just the product. There's Rocket Review, where our team presents the work they've done during the sprint. And The Bean Show, a weekly news show covering the latest in startups, AI, and tech culture. Beyond that, we're experimenting with podcasts, gaming streams, cooking shows, animated stories, a subway talk show called Next Stop, and Good Bean, where we provide pro bono consulting to nonprofits, helping them with their digital products and marketing strategies. We want to film a Dungeons & Dragons campaign where the team builds magical products to save the kingdom. And our daily live stream on YouTube and Twitch, where audiences can watch live content, interact with the team and community, and suggest ideas. RocketBean isn't just about building products. It's turning the team into creators, influencers, and personalities that audiences want to follow. Because when people connect with the builders, they care more about what those builders create. At the end of the day, RocketBean Studio is about building great products, telling great stories, and inviting people into the journey of innovation. And most importantly, having fun doing it. Reach out if you're interested in joining our journey. Thank you.